Alrighty. Welcome, everyone. I hope we are having a lovely day. So today, I wonder if that's mirrored for everyone. Because that's interesting. Oh, okay. All right. So today we're going to go through a whole bunch of algorithms and data structures work. Really, we're going to work through virtually everything that you need to know for the UQ Comp 3605 final. Because I wanted to stream that whole thing. And yeah, we're going to go through virtually the whole entire course worth of content. I can't share most of the slides themselves, but I can certainly do all of the questions for everyone. And yeah. And then hopefully I'll have something to kind of edit back down in a little while. All right, so that's working beautifully. I'll just check whether we can be heard. And we can. All right, let's go. Okay, so let's start with kind of week one. Actually, I don't want to start with week one. We're actually going to go through exams. And we're going to do them all virtually in order. I mean, I'm going to write down the questions for you and we're just going to do it. So let's crank out some exams. We're going to start with 2016 and we're going to work our way through the whole thing. So let's do it. All right. So, question one. Question one. Which of the following has n log n run time? Now, our options are A, root n log 2n squared plus 3n, B, 17n dot log 231 n plus 3n 0.91, C is n to the 1.03 divided by 5349, and D is n log 2n plus n 1.01 times log n to the 10th. Rightio. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Which one of these is, and this is actually theta, sorry, so that's theta n log n. Theta n log n. I'll just make it so you guys can see a little bit more clearly. All right, theta n log n. Okay, so out of those, what do we have? So let's just look at our options. So it's clearly not C, right? Because that doesn't even have a login at all. Log n to the 10, and if we look up our log laws, just check if log n to the 10th does anything in terms of log laws, but I'm pretty confident it doesn't. I don't think you raise a power of a log to something. It's just log times log times log. So it's not very exciting. So that's n log n plus pretty much exactly n times log n. And we're looking for theta n log n. So root n log n. So that's the same as n to the half, so I don't think it's that one either. And then 17n log 231n plus 3n to the 0.91. So let's just convert some of these into kind of log n notation. Give ourselves a little more space. So it's 17n log n plus n. Really, we can take that as 0.91, or we can go, so that's n and that's n and that's n. Just concerned about the power of 10 there, because that's a little bit funky. She's out of focus. It's not A. It's not C. I think it's B. Well, that's n to the 0.91 plus n log n. I mean, while we're here, why don't we look at some rules for... It's probably worthwhile working out the O of n of a function, right? So I've just gone ahead and Googled how do we work out the O of n of a function, because to be honest, it's pretty flippin' tough. And I'm just searching around for anything that can help us really understand, because there's a lot of questions that they give us which just really don't help. It's understanding. All right, let's see if we can do it. The second question is which out of these, okay, so I'm not exactly sure which out of these solutions